Look, my bitches all bad, my niggas all real. I ride in dick in some big tall hills, big fat checks, big large bills, run out flip like 10 car wheels. Cold ass bitch, I give raw chills.
Yay, makeup tutorial time. Hey you guys, the hair that I got in is from Elfin Hair. If you want to see how I achieve this whole look, stay tuned. So I start off with my eyebrows as usual. Then I'm going to prime my eyes with some concealer. So I'm going to use a hot pink color and I'm going to put that above my crease. So right now I'm just blending that upwards, blending it out a bit. Then I'm going to add that dark pink and mix it with a little bit of black and put that inside of my crease. And then I'm going to proceed to blend that upwards as well so I can get a nice blend. So now I'm going to cut my crease. I actually flattened that brush with eyelash glue and some glitter primer. I learned that off, oh god, what is her name? I believe her name is Kiki, I think. I'm going to add her page in the description box too. But she's really like a beast with the cut crease, like dead ass a beast. Like, oh my god, I'm so mad because I lost some footage, but I did put a light pink color on my lid, and now I am topping that off with it's called white gold. I'm going to put the name of the company in the description box as well. So I'm just cleaning off that extra makeup, and now I'm going to color correct and highlight and contour. Basically everything else is going to be self-explanatory. So I catch up with you guys at the end of this video. Stay tuned, keep watching. Ah!
I see you. Let's go. Yeah. Queen B, do it like this.
I'm the highest, your highest title. Uno, uno. I'm not a Puerto Rican, but I speak it so that you know.
This is how it should be done. This style is out there.
The hip hop, the hip to the hip hopper, you don't stop. The rocket to the bang bang, boogie to up, jump the boogie to the boogie to the boogie to beat. Now what you hear is not a fake, it's the real little Kim Queen B.
That's right.
Now I know y'all heard of the females rap, but they ain't got nothing on me. Cause y'all take to my rap, cause my rap's the best. 150,000, 16 bars, nothing less. So to y'all haters, I paid y'all no mind. In fact, I'ma give it to y'all one more time, like
yeah, what? Come on, bounce, what?
no matter what people say, we got it going on. Who cares about what we say? You are to that baby. No matter what people say, we got it going on. Who cares about what we say? Everybody to be with us and not crazy. No matter what's trying to be said, we got it going on. Who cares about what we say? You are to that baby. No matter what's trying to be said, we got it going on. Who cares what's trying to be said? Everybody to be with us and not crazy. No matter what's trying to be said, we got it going on. Who cares what's trying to be said? You are to that baby. No matter what's trying to be said, we got it.
Yeah, Queen B, 2000.
No matter what people say, we got it going on. Who cares about what they say? You are to that baby. No matter what people say, we got it going on. Who cares about what they say? Everybody to be with us and drive you crazy. Everywhere I go, red car. Gave the keys to my late total park. Then I jumps out the door. Little Kim or girls make making faces like Ace Ventura. And my BADGIR, LS is in the stretch, Ellis ain't shit you could tell us. Even got some of these niggas jealous, but tonight ain't about the fellas. Bulgari perfume from a mile, you smell us. Model agencies say it's easy to sell us. We got sex appeal, I'ma keep it real. If I didn't have a deal, I'd still be worth a mill. Depending how I feel, I might go on a heist. So at my wedding I could throw ice instead of throwing rice. We fly like kites, never get in the fights. I got a whole bunch of dykes on in no matter what people say. We got it going on. Who cares about what they think? Won't you come and you I can do that, baby. No matter what people say. We got it going on. Who cares about what they think? Shake your body to be with us, it drives you crazy. I'm just trying to be me, doing what I gotta do. So why y'all keep hating on me and my crew?
Yo, I'm saying, QB, look at them and look at you.
True, if I was you, I'd hate me too. Louis Vuitton shoes and a whole lot of booze. Every other week a different dude, another cruise. I make offers nobody can refuse. You might see me on the chin.
She's your queen to be. Just kidding. So here is the final look at everything. And those fake YSL shades, I got them from AliExpress for like $5. And the hair is about that long. And here goes my makeup. This is like my birthday look. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and have a good one. And follow me on Instagram at XOXOMochaccino. Bye.
Break down.